inside the Niger Delta.
The Queen of Twon-Brass Kingdom, Dr. Mrs. Josephine Spieth, and the good people of Twon-Brass recently held a one-day Thanksgiving service in the ancient kingdom. The Thanksgiving service was in celebration of peaceful coexistence after years of hostilities and strife in the kingdom, as correspondent Lovely Ofigo reports.
Soon after it embraced Christianity and Western education several centuries back, Twon-Brass had witnessed peace and stability, which ushered in an era of prosperity. In recent times, however, the once peaceful kingdom came under siege of violence perpetrated by some unscrupulous elements in the communities. Worried about the kingdom's declining fortunes, Their Majesties King Alfred and Queen Dr. Josephine Spieth decided to dedicate it to God. It was in gratitude to God for the return of peace to the kingdom that a Thanksgiving service was recently organized by their Royal Majesties.
A year after we did dedication unto God on this land, asking for peace. At that time there was serious death, killings, kidnapping, fighting in this place. But after the dedication, peace came, and since then, 1 year later, they have been peace. We have had 2 elections and there have been no bloodshed.
We've been receiving blessings the whole year, and we've dedicated the 1st of December for every year to say thank God for his blessings for Twon-Brass Kingdom. And so it is decreed, and so it will be.
The Thanksgiving service was attended by many, including top politicians and religious leaders in the Niger Delta.
In the 6th century, the Christianity came here. We must thank God for Brass Kingdom. We must thank God for the king. Thank God for the queen. For all the hiders who are here, thank God. They are ruling you in the fear of God. And that is most important.
We can't thank God enough for all that he has done for us as a people, as a community as well. I think he deserves all the thanksgiving. We are so grateful to him for life, for progress, and for everything that we can think of.
Organizers of the Thanksgiving service, the first of its kind in Twon-Brass, have decided to make it an annual tradition to sustain the reign of peace and prosperity in the kingdom.
Inside the Niger Delta.